Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by acting fast. Power down and reset the SSD's connector, then connect via a known good port or USB adapter so you can work safely. Once connected, image the drive with a sector-by-sector tool to protect data. This prevents loss if fixes fail. Next, run smart and health diagnostics from the manufacturer utility to collect error codes. These initial steps let you proceed with confidence and give you the diagnostic data needed to choose the correct repair path. With a safe backup in place, update or reinstall the SSD's firmware using the vendor tool while the drive is directly attached. This often fixes controller-level faults. Once firmware is current, run the manufacturer secure erase utility. This rebuilds internal mappings and clears bad blocks. If the vendor tool offers a restore to factory routine, run it. After each step, rerun smart and surface scans to confirm improvements. If metrics improve, clone the image back and proceed to final verification. Finally, restore your disk image and boot the system to validate stability. Perform file integrity checks and an extended stress test to ensure the SSD holds under load. If errors reappear or smart shows persistent reallocated sectors or false writes, stop and pursue the vendor warranty or replace the drive. Continued use risks data loss. If you must RMA, include the smart logs and error codes gathered earlier. They speed diagnosis and prove the issue, making replacement smoother and protecting your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.